Here's how you can set it up. Right-click on the Windows logo key. Choose Terminal, Admin. Then press the shortcut Ctrl+ to open the settings. Enter the Startup section in the Settings menu. Expand the lock parameters, and turn on the Center on Launch option. Click Save to apply your changes. You can also click on OpenJSON file to open setting.json file. And find the Center and Launch, set its value to True, and save the file. It's worth noted that you may be unable find the Center and Launch option in settings.json file only you've enabled it from settings before, or you can add it by your own. Once you've completed these steps, your Windows terminal will automatically open in the center of your screen every time you start it. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a thumbs up, leave a comment with your thoughts, and subscribe for more Windows tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.